Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the geometric progression. Here a sequence of non-zero numbers is called a geometric progression if the ratio of vectors and the term preceding to it is always a constant quantity. This constant quantity is called common ratio of the GP. In other words, we can say that sequence A1, A2, A3, An dot dot is called geometric progressions if the An plus 1 divided by An is a constant for all n belongs natural numbers. We take here one example, 4 minus 2, 1 minus half is a GP because in this case first term A equal to 4 and common ratio minus 2 by 4, that is half minus half, 1 by minus 2, that is minus half by 1, that is minus half. It means that common ratio is same, so that this sequence is called the geometric progressions. Now general term of geometric progression, let us suppose that A1, A2, A3 dot dot An dot dot is the given geometric progressions. Then we arrange T1 means first terms. It is a first term A1 that is equal to A1 is equal to, in this case we assume that A and first term is a T2. Here common ratio is same in the geometric progression, so that A2 by A1 is R. It means that A2 is equal to A1R. A1 is equal to, here A1 is equal to A, and R can be written R के power 2 minus 1 because it is the second term. T3 is A3 by A2, that is a common ratio is same. A3 is equal to A2R, A2R is equal to A1R, and 1R, A1R square, A1 is equal to A, R square. It is a third term of the series, so that 2 can be written as 3 minus 1, so that fourth term, that is AR के power 4 minus 1, 5 term AR के power 5 minus 1, so that nth term of the geometric progression is AR के power n minus 1. This is the general terms or general formula to calculate the nth terms or any terms of the geometric progressions. Now we take some. Now question number 1. Find the ninth term of the GP. This first question. GP is 1, 4, 16, 64 and so on. Here first term A equal to 1 and common ratio R equal to, here 4 by 1 equal to 4 or 16 by 4 equal to 4 or 64 by 16 equal to 4. Now we know that general term an equal to a r के power n minus 1. Here we calculate the ninth term a ninth equal to a equal to 1 and r equal to 4 के power 9 minus 1. So that this is a 8 and 1 multiply, no change the value 4 के power 8. This is ninth term of this series. Now second part, GB is 0.3, 0.06, 0.012 and so on. In this case, first term a equal to 0.3 and r equal to 0.06 by 0.3. This can be written as 6 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 5. Or we can say that we must divide 0.012 divided by 0.06 here, and this can be written as 0. Here in this case 0. This and this can be written as here, this is a 30. And now r equal to now geometric progression 0.3, 0.06, 0.012, a first term 0.3 and common ratio r 0.06 divided by 0.3. So that this is a decimal remove 6 by 31 by 5 or 0.012 divided by this. Here this is a 3 digit and 2 digit, so that it remove 12 by 16, 1 by 5. Now general term an equal to a r to n minus 1. Here we have calculate 8th term, putting n equal to 8, a equal to this and r equal to 1 by 5 here, n 8 minus 1, that is 7, 1 by 5. Here in this case, this can be written as 1 by 5 here. Now this is equal to this 5 divided by 5 2 are 0.2. This is equal to 0.2. Now here this third problem, geometric progression root 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 root 2. First term a equal to this and common ratio 1 by root 2 divided by root 2. This is half, or this divide this 1 by 2 root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. This is also half, so that common ratio is half. In this case we calculate 10th term. A 10 is equal to a r by n minus 1. A is root 2 and r equal to 1 by 2 here, and 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 1 by 2 के power 9 under root 2 can be written as this convert to 2 by root 2 this, and 1 power remove, so that 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2 के power 8. this is a answer. Now fourth problem here. Here nth term of GP. Here GP is root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by 3 root 3, and so on. Now first term A equal to root 3 and common ratio R equal to 1 by root 3 divided by root 3. This means 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. This is equal to 1 by 3. Or we can say that this divides this 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 1 by root 3. It means that 1 by 3 root 3 into root 3 by 1. This is 1 by 3. In this case, common ratio is 1 by 3, and we calculate nth term an equal to ar के power n minus 1. Here a equal to root 3 and r equal to 1 by 3 के power here n minus 1. In this case a equal to root 3 and r equal to 1 by 3 to power this. This is the nth terms of this series. Now we take another example. Now question number 2. Which term of GP 2 1 half 1 by 4 is 128? Let us suppose that nth term of GP is equal to 128. Here first term A equal to 2 and common ratio R equal to 1 by 2. It can half by 1, that is half 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. Here in this case that is half, and let us suppose that an equal to 1 by 128 and an equal to a plus r के power n minus 1 equal to 100. 1 by 128. Here a equal to 2 into r equal to 1 by 2 के power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 128. This kind here 1 by 2 के power n minus 1, and this kind here this 1 by 256, and this 256 2 and 2 128 2 6 2 4, and that is 32 16 8 4 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so that this can be written as 1 by 2 के power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 के power 8. Now by law of indices n minus 1 equal to 8, so that n equal to 9. It means that 9 terms of this series is 128. Now Question number 3. Here the fourth, seventh and last term of a GPR. Let us suppose that first term of GP is, let us suppose that first term of GP is A and common difference common ratio not difference equal to R. Here in this case given fourth term is 10, seventh term is 18 and last term is 2560. Now fourth term is 10. It means that A4 equal to AR by n minus 1 and AR3, and this is equal to fourth term is 10 and seventh term is 80. A7 equal to AR के power n minus 1 is 6. This is equal to 80. With the help of this, now here AR के power 6 divided by AR के power 3 equal to 80 by 10. 1 remove, R के power 3 equal to 8. It means that R के power 3 equal to 2 के power 3. It means that R equal to 2. Here common ratio is equal to 2. So that first term here AR cube equal to 10, R equal to 2, R equal to 2 के power cube equal to 10 and A equal to 10 by 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 10 by 8. In this case 10 by 8. Now we have to calculate find the first term A. First term, one answer is this. Find the first term and number of term in GP, and here last term is this. Last term means, let us suppose that A1 equal to here, A1 equal to AR के power n minus 1 in this case, and this is equal to given that 2560. A equal to here 10 by 8 into R equal to 2 के power n minus 1 equal to 2560 in this case, so that here in this case 2 के power n minus 1 equal to, now here A equal to 10 by 8 and R equal to के पावर n minus 1, here 2 के पावर n minus 1 equal to 2560, r 8 comes here and 10, this is g, remove, and this is equal to 2 के पावर 8 and 2 के पावर 3, 2 के पावर 11, 2 के पावर n minus 1, 2 and 2 by law of indices, n minus 1 is equal to 11, so that n is equal to 12, and in this case we have to find that the first term is this, and the number of term is GP 12. Now we see question number 4. Let fourth question, if the P R Q R and R F term of GP are A, B, C respectively, then prove that A के पावर Q minus R into B के पावर R minus P into C के पावर P minus Q is equal to 1, and second part Q minus R log A plus R minus P log B plus P minus Q log C equal to 0. Now let us suppose that first term of GP is A. Here we assume that first term in capital letter and common ratio in capital R, because small letter present in our problem, so that let us suppose that first term of GP is equal to A and common ratio equal to R. In general, An is equal to A R to the power n minus 1. By question here, P term is A and AP is equal to A R to the power P minus 1, that is A. Q term is B, AQ, Q term is A R to the power Q minus 1 is equal to B, and RF term is say AR equal to A capital R के power R minus 1 equal to C. Now here, given the value of A, B, C in terms of A and R, now we have to show that first here A के power Q minus R B के power R minus P into C के power P minus Q equal to 1. Now we take the left hand side, because here number of terms are greater in comparison to the right hand side, and putting the value of here A, B, C and solve it, we get the right hand side from left hand side. Here A के power Q minus R into B के power R minus P into C के power P minus Q. Here putting the value of A, B and C, here A equal to A R के power P minus 1 to the power Q minus R into B A R के power Q minus 1 A R के power Q minus 1 to the power R minus P into C A R के power small r minus 1 A R के power small r minus 1 to the power C equal to P minus Q. We simplify with here A के power this के power this, we can write it A के power q minus r. Here r minus p, we can add here r minus p, and also a के power p minus q, so that it can be adding p minus q. Now here this is a multiplication and base is same, so that power is added. Now here r के power is p minus 1 into q minus r plus r के power q minus 1 into r minus p plus r के power r minus 1 into p minus q. Now q and q remove, r remove, p remove, so that a के power equal to 0 into r. In this case, multiply this pq minus pr minus q plus r. Here qr minus pq, qr minus pq minus r plus p, minus r plus p. Here pr minus qr minus p plus q. Now here pq plus, remove this pr minus pr plus, remove this minus q plus q, remove this qr plus, and this is minus, remove r minus here in this case, and here r plus, this remove, p and p remove, so that a to the power 0, r to the power 0, this is 1 into 1, this is 1, this is the right hand side proof. Now first part proved here. Now second part. Now for the second, q minus r log a plus r minus p log b plus c minus q log c equal to 0. In this case here, as period term is a, taking log both sides, log a बराबर log of this. First of all log we apply here a equal to a r के power p minus 1. Here log a equal to log a r के power p minus 1. log m into n बराबर log m plus n. log a plus log r के power p minus 1. And here log a log m के power n, log m to the power n equal to n log m, so that this is equal to p minus 1 log r. About the logarithm we have discussed in the previous videos about this. Here now log a equal to log a p minus 1 log r. Similarly, from this log b equal to this, log c equal to this, we putting in this case log a log b log c. Here q minus r log this is value of log small a, log small b and log small c. Now here log a common q minus r plus log a common r minus p plus p minus q here, and this multiply this so that q minus r into p minus r log r, here r minus p, q minus 1 log r, so that we take common log r, so that q minus r p minus 1 plus r minus p q minus 1 plus r minus p and p minus q here. After that, this is a remove q remove p remove, so that this becomes 0, so this is equal to 0, and this is also removed to each other, that is equal to 0, log r into 0 is equal to 0, so that we get the right hand side of this. Now like, subscribe, share my videos. Thank you.